Imagine being arrested for tax fraud without a trial, without evidence, and without judge's approval. Welcome to Section 37AA, Pakistan's latest tax reforms. Section 37AA of the Income Tax Ordinance has sparked outrage across the business and the legal communities. In this video, we will unpack what is the clause really means and why it is being called draconian, and how it will reshape the country's climate of investment and constitutional safeguard. Legal analysis provision summary. Section 37AA empowers the tax officials to arrest individuals suspected of tax fraud without prior judicial approval. Threshold arrests are permitted only in cases involving tax losses exceeding 50 million and require committee approval, but no judicial oversight is amended. Legal consequences violate Section 10A of the Constitution, which gives the right of free trial, converts civil tax dispute into criminal matters, creates the element of fear, discourage investment and formal business activity. Risk of abuse of power, broad definition of tax fraud and unchecked power may lead to harassment and misuse of authority. Khaja Mahmood Rahman, president of Business Forum, says empowering tax officials to order arrest without judicial oversight is wholly unacceptable. This clause is a sword hanging over the heads of the entrepreneurs and the investors. Section 37AA presents a great atmosphere of fear, and it causes many risks also, and investor confidence can be lost. While the tax reform is essential, but it must be balanced with the transparency, judicial oversight, and respect for civil liberties. The business community, unified opposition, signs a need for an urgent legislative review, and stakeholders should consultate the business community.